Man, I'm happier than a tornado in a trailer park. Hey everybody, good morning. Just wanted to give you a little update on the 1953 Ford F100 Restomod, aka Black Betty. Bam-a-lamb. So we're heading over to my grandpa's shop. He said he had a couple things for me. Let's see what they are. Before we get to Pawpaw's tire shop, comment down below if you like any type of Restomod, a hot rod, just any kind of car in general. Just comment down below and tell us what your favorite truck or car is. There are so many ways you can do or redo a vehicle. Partial builds, upgrades, you can do rat rods, full off-frame restorations. You can lift them, you can rake them, or you can slam them. What I'm trying to say, folks, is the world's at your fingertips. It's all about what you love. Man, I'm happier than a tornado in a trailer park. Alright, so just left tire shop. We're getting there. We're going to Moxville, North Carolina now to go and find a couple bits and pieces that we might want or find or need or just like. Might see something on the side of the road, never know. So we'll get back to you in a minute. Y'all, you ain't gonna believe this. They've rat rotted the Taco Bell in Moxville, North Carolina. What? Hold my root beer. Well, besides finding a rat-rotted Taco Bell in Moxville, it's pretty much a bust there. So we're just gonna keep on riding. What are you doing there?
Well, I got me a scratch-off ticket, like a huge one, ginormous, huge.
That little tiny
I'm trying
thing.
to pay for that truck, but I'm trying to pay for all the bits and pieces that you're trying to put on that truck. Let's see if we'll...
Well, Dad, did you win anything?
I ain't won.
So, how about some Dippin' Dots?
Took a little break right here, and we're going to try to get our steps in. We're at Tanglewood. Tanglewood. If y'all don't know nothing about Tanglewood, it's a huge park, and every year around Christmas time they do the Festival of Lights. So if you look that up, it's really, 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 really cool. All right, we got to get our steps in. See you shortly.
Well, it looks like the bottom's about to drop, so, you know, it was a little bit of a bust today. Didn't see much, so before we start heading back to the house to watch the local hockey team, we'll go and play a little bit of mini golf. Because mini golf is life. Back in my element. We'll tell you how it turns out. Well, he got lucky, that's for sure.
No, I didn't get lucky because I beat the kid. I beat that kid. He ended up with 1, 2, 3 hole-in-ones, and I had one, but I beat him by 6.
Yeah,
Champ.
Sure. So we've had the truck for over a little bit of a week now. It's the moment y'all been waiting for. Let's have a little update. We secured the deal on Friday. Got it here Saturday, thanks to all the people that helped. Sunday morning we went and got a starter switch, which is down here, right here. It's supposed to go through here, but anyway, and then a little bit of starting fluid. We got it cranked that day. We got fuel filter, plugs, tape, Got a rebuild kit for the carburetor, which might be a little too big for what we got. We'll just have to get a little game plan, figure out what all we're going to do. So as you can tell, the interior is pretty good. We got this high intensity radio right here with this killer sound system, and really good mirror, one piece. So yeah, got some really hardcore heat down here, and yeah, got the blower right here, and lights, wipers, horn, as you can tell, works perfect. Blinker system. Yeah, got really nice shifter down here. Got another shifter that's useless.
For now, yeah.
Yeah.
So
choke.
So you got a 4-speed Muncie. You got a her shifter on here.
Yep.
3-speed on the column right now is not hooked up.
Probably will not be hooked up either.
Yeah, we may go with a straight shaft, but we'll figure something out on it.
Yeah.
All the instrument panels are in really good shape. The interiors is really workable, man. It's not
and
bad.
if you have too much sunlight while you're sitting here, just fold it down and you'll be good to go.
Careful, man. About to crumble.
Oh, I've used it plenty. Yeah, ashtray, a little rough.
Well, it was a different time back then.
But got this full parts. And yeah. Well, we got it running for the time being. Hey, if you like this kind of content, just go ahead and if you haven't subscribed already, hit that button and click the bell so you know exactly when we put another one out. We appreciate all your support. See you in the next video. Alright, so just left tire shop. We're getting there. Alright, so we just left tire shop.
Make sure your brain didn't fall out there.
So we just left tire shop.
Okay.
So we just left tire shop.
We're now 9 miles away from the tire shop.
We're now 50 miles away from the tire shop. Getting there.
Okay. That's funny.
So just left the tire shop, and yeah, I just left the tire shop.
What are you trying to say?
Oh, we just left the tire shop. Yeah. All right. You know where we were today? We were at the tire shop.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm playing.
You playing?
Yeah.
What are you playing with?
I got horns. Beep, beep, beep. Blinkers. Yeah.
Quit messing.
Thanks for stopping by, everybody.